Welcome to this video, everyone. So you see I have more than 100 buttons, but they don't do anything. So they are useless. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a button do something with HTML and JavaScript. So I'm going to get rid of these buttons now. All right. So let me get rid of all of these buttons. All right. So you see I have this button. It says do something. But now even if I click on it, it doesn't do anything because we don't have JavaScript yet. So I'll show you how to add action to your buttons. So let me add a paragraph here. All right. And I'm going to give it an ID. I'll call it my paragraph. Simple. And I'm going to add something here. It says I am a paragraph. Okay. So I have that there. Now we are going to the end of the body tag. So you see, this is the end of the body tag right here on line 21. And right above it, I have placed the script tag. So inside of the script tag, we will be able to type our JavaScript. So now let me make a function. So I'm going to add the word function here. So function, and then you add name to your function. So let me add a name. I'm going to do something. All right. So function do something, and then open two parentheses and two curly braces. So I'm going to keep the function there, and right above it on line 16, I'm going to get this element. All right. This paragraph. You see, I have given it the ID of my paragraph. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say let, and then I'm going to say my paragraph equals to, then I'm going to say document, so document dot, and then get element by ID, just like that. And I'm going to open two parentheses, right? So two parentheses and two quotation marks. Now, let's see, I need more space here. Okay, so you see I have added two parentheses and two quotations inside of it. So inside of these, I'm going to add this paragraph. So you see, it says I have given it the ID of my paragraph, so you should retype that in. So I'm going to copy it from here, basically, and paste it here. So let me paste it, all right, and add a semicolon there. Okay, so now we have that paragraph in our hand. All right, so we have stored it inside of this variable. I named it my paragraph. So now inside of this function, we are going to say, for example, my paragraph. All right, so we are going to select that variable, and then I'm going to say dot, and then there is something called style, and then you add another dot. So now you see these are all of the CSS properties that you can change and manipulate. So now let me change the font size. So my paragraph dot style dot font style, or font size, sorry. So my paragraph dot style and then dot font size, I'm going to say equals to, and then two quotations. So inside of the quotations, we can say, for example, 35px, which stands for 35 pixels. So now our button still, if I click on the button, nothing will happen to it because we are going to attach this function to this button. So we are going to add an attribute inside of the button. I'm going to say on click. So these are all of the events. You can say on click or on double click. It's up to you. But I'm going to click on click, and then equals to 2 parentheses. So now I'm going to add the name of the function. So dot something and along with the parentheses, and I'm going to paste it inside of those quotations. So you see, I have it there. And now if our code is clean and if there are no errors, we should be able to click on it and it will change the font size to something else. So let me click on do something. If I one click on it, you'll notice that it will change the font size to 35 pixels. So successful, everyone. That was a success. Now we are going to do something else. So inside of the function, we can do more than one thing. So for example, let's change the background color. So I can say my paragraph again, and then dot style. We're going to say background. So you see background color. So background color just like that, and then equals to, and you can add a property. So let me say purple, purple, and add a semicolon to the end of it. So now if I click on do something, you'll notice that it will change the font size to 35 pixels and it will add the purple background color. So now let's change the color of it, like the text color. So I can say my paragraph again, dot style, dot color equals to, let's say white. So let's see if this is going to work. So I'm going to click on do something. You'll notice that it has changed the background color to purple and it has changed the color to white. You can also add a border to it. So I can say my paragraph dot style again. So we can manipulate the style. So we can say, for example, border. Okay, border, and then it equals to quotations, and then you add just like whatever you want. So let's say 2 pixels. So 2 pixels, solid green. Right. So we want our border to be 2 pixels, solid and green. So if I click on do something, you'll notice that it will add that to it. All right, everyone. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I will see you all in the next videos.